Subscribe to Android Discovery Channel. And press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. A few days ago, the worldwide sales of the Samsung Galaxy S21 series started. It's time to destroy one of the top-end Galaxy S21 Ultra copies priced at $1,199, isn't it? The YouTube channel Everything Apple Pro has conducted a joint drop test of the cutting-edge Android smartphone of 2021 along with the current iPhone 12 Pro Max. The tests were carried out in several stages, and the difference manifested itself only in the latter. However, the first drawbacks of the assembly of the Koreans happened a little earlier, when, after falling on the back, the optics of a telephoto camera for 3x optical zoom took off. Well, in the end, Apple still gets the victory on points, since its ceramic shield, which protects the display, turned out to be stronger than Gorilla Glass Victus. Despite the fact that the back of the iPhone 12 Pro Max has crashed, the display is still the main part of the smartphone, that is, damage to the front part is more significant. Watch the entire test on the video. And remember that a smartphone must be handled with care anyway. Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra 5G specifications: 6.8-inch, 3200 by 1440 pixels, Quad HD Plus Infinity OLED Dynamic AMOLED display, 515 ppi, adaptive 120 Hz refresh rate, 10-120 Hz, up to 1500 nits brightness, Gorilla Glass Victus protection, octa-core Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 5nm mobile platform, octa-core Samsung Exynos 2100 processor, 12GB, 16GB LPDDR5 RAM with 128GB/256GB/512GB storage. Apple iPhone 12 Pro Max specifications: 6.7-inch, 2778 x 1284 pixels, OLED 458p Super Retina XDR display, up to 1200 nits brightness, ceramic shield protection. 6-core A14 Bionic 5nm chip with 64-bit architecture, quad-core graphics. 128GB, 256GB and 512GB storage options. iOS 14. Water and dust resistant, IP68. So friends, expected. If you like this video, then friends, subscribe to our channel and like and share the video. I need your love and support. I will continue to bring you such exciting technology videos every day. Thank you.